Hello, and like if you're wondering who I am Ultimate Gamer 2002. Yes, I'm not using online, but next video I will. Yes, so I'm going to be doing tutorial let's play. Yeah. Yeah. So how are we doing? So tutorial let's play because this is my very first video ever to introduce me. Cause I am Ultimate Gamer 2002 with YouTube. Yes, I need to fix this bed. Good.
Hello.
Okay, now I'm gonna be doing this.
Oh, I think Jim was trying to call mom
But now, okay. So there's going to be let's plays of Brawl. There's going to be Brawl. Yes, I just got Brawl, Terraria. I got Minecraft, but no Minecraft because Minecraft's lagging on this computer for some reason. Not Terraria, but now, yeah. And we're gonna have an actual camera. Isn't that amazing? Yes, now Terraria Let's Play. Here I come. Going. Yes, to a Terraria Let's Play. Now, this may be quick. But you'll remember this forever. And now we're going to be doing a Terraria, and well,
I don't see anything here.
Terraria Let's Play with the Brawl Let's Play and a Mario Kart Let's Play probably.
Alright, just email me back
Okay.
and tell them.
Yes. That's it, guys, and bye.